I will tell you 3 reasons why you should not apply on a different language proposal. So watch this video. I received this proposal today and it is in Spanish language. Obviously I can translate it with the help of Google Translator, but yeah, still there can be some gaps that I don't understand, or this can be slow project. So I will just decline this. I will tell you the reasons why I'm declining this. So I will write it other and tell the reason, like it is in a different language and it can be slow for me, so I will decline this. And yeah, I will tell you the 3 reasons why I declined this. So the first reason is you can't map data, you can't read that because of different context of business. You can't map data exactly, as you don't understand. Even though you translate it with the help of Google Translator, it will be difficult for you to map the data. It can be slow, translating word by word, and there can be mistakes that can cost you very big. So the second reason is fast chats build faster automation. As I said, like if you understand the business, you can chat faster, you can complete projects very fastly. But yeah, if you don't understand that, if it's a different language, it will taking a lot of time, and that can the client will be only paying for the according to the budget for the original time in the local language, but you will have to spend extra time for that. And the third reason is great automations need business context. You must have to understand the business before you work on that projects. So these are the 3 reasons. Never apply on automations that are different language unless you're a beginner and you don't have project. But yeah, this is our recommended thing. Please don't apply on different projects. I've been working with different language projects, but the experience wasn't good. That's why I'm sharing this. Thank you.